Animal Crossing. Oh, wala. Okay, tayo. Oh, wait. Anyway, I am wearing and I just put the rest of my dolls in my house. I just sell them because I don't want to waste them. It's just for my dolls. I don't need to pay my loan. But I am just planning try to my house to get something under because I'm grinding for bells just to pay my loans in Animal Crossing. Anyway, let's just go to storage and don't mind why it's blurry. It's a little bit too close. Let's just get this with the pockets. Damselfly, Dad, let's just get this again. I should have got these creatures, but let's just go here and run towards. Oh my god, this is giving me starlight sleep. Pero ano lang yun? Wait lang, ano ba yan? Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano lang ako gusto ko million. Pero hindi pa yun Pero ito million Million guys. Ay, Marimar, nakalimutan ko pala. Charge ko pa nga. Ang yung lapis ko. Marimarang sobrang lapis. Lapis ang mga pangalan ko. Ayan ko. Bakit may kailangan ko? Ayan. So, yeah, continue tayong klaro. Yes, pasok na tayo. Hope ko bigyan mo lang ako ng mga ang dami ng price. Tutulong mo lang. Alright. Ano ba yan? Salt. Pero yun na naman. So, anong gusto niyo ng part 2? Ay, sige. Goodbye. Part 2 na bukas. Ay, mamaya pa yung part 2. Hanap ko. Akong gagawin mo. Bye.